Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 88. And to this question, the instructions say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. Question number 71 to 80. We are to apply this instruction to them. And to question number 88, it says that it is caused by the dash parasite plasmodium. Now remember that we say that this question is under register, and the register we're considering is disease. So it is caused by the dash. It is caused by the dash parasite plasmodium. And remember that we are talking about malaria. Malaria is our focus under this register, and we say option A blood, option B body, option C cell, option D ecto, option E tissue. We all know what tissue is. It's a strong matter in the body, while ecto simply means the outer infection on the body. Then cell, we all know what cell is, which is the smallest unit of a living organism in the body. Then the body is like the content or human container. So we know that where every other thing that we have mentioned, option A, option E, option D, option C, even option A, is the content of the body. So blood, so it is caused by the blood parasite plasmodium, because when mosquitoes stink, it stink from the outer part of the body or ecto, then it relates to the body, and that's at the end of the day it's developed to what we call malaria. So it's the body that reacts to that bite, and that has to do with the human blood. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.